I've made this mistake in my calisthenics journey, and it's the reason for me injuring myself back to back in about a month's time frame. If you don't know me, I'm Eckhart. I'm a South African and I've been doing calisthenics for about 2 years as a 16-year-old. Let me just tell you a story real quick. So when I started training, I had 3 trainers. The first one didn't know what he was doing. He just wasted my time and my money. The second one, the third one, they both gave me the structure of do weighted pull-ups, weighted dips and skill training. This is where you mix strength and skill, and it's wrong. I'll get to why in a second. But there is an upside to this. My strength to my weight ratio is insane. I mean, I can do 50 kg dips, 7 to 8 reps, pull-ups, 35 kg, 6 reps about. I weigh 68 kgs right now. If you're watching this and you do not do calisthenics, you probably can't even do 5 reps body weight. So yeah, I'm just saying. But this will make me progress way faster when I go into a skill phase. Again, why I'm gonna give me a second. But when I go into the skill phase of my training, my progress is gonna be insane because I already have the strength. My skills lack way behind of my strength. So that's exactly why my skills will be way better when I go into the phase, and my injuries will recover. That's why you need a skill and a strength phase. In the strength, like I said, you break your muscles. You basically destroy your tendons and your joints. When there's no time for it to reset, and by the way, each phase is 3 months, plus minus. If you do not give it a chance to reset, just like me, my dumbass didn't know this, my wrist, I was out a week and I went back, trained not that intensely, then bam, another injury, out for another week. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back. But see, this time I'm gonna do things differently. I'm gonna go into the phase where I train skill only, maintain your weighted pull-ups and your weighted dips through doing it once a week each. 3 sets, 50% of what you can do. Basically, you don't do it, it's just there to maintain. You do not destroy your recovery, anything, just maintain it, or else you'll lose all your progress. Should you start with skill or a strength phase? I recommend you starting with a strength phase. You might unlock skills a little bit slower, yes, but once you go into that skill phase, you will unlock it faster. There's people way ahead of me who's been doing calisthenics for 2 years. I bet my phone died. I just had to go grab my father's real quick. But like I said, the people who have been training calisthenics and they are way ahead of my skills, their strength lags behind mine. Which one do I prefer? Not mine, because they probably have not had injuries. So that's why I'm telling this to you for free. And just so by the way, if you want me to coach you, I still have open slots. Just go to my Instagram, it's my name, Eckhart, and then calisthenics, you'll get it really easy. Just DM me coaching and I'll reach out to you. But just another small detail that you need to keep in mind when you go through your phases. In the strength phase, you are a fucking dumbass if you are not on a lean bulk. If you're on a dirty bulk and you do calisthenics, just quit. Don't do calisthenics if you want to dirty bulk, because that's stupid. Your weight does this. Calisthenics is body weight mastering. Don't be an idiot. Lean bulk on your strength phase. You need to build muscle, you need to build strength. Your recovery demand is high. In your skill phase, it's lower. There you can maintain. Do not jump from a bulk to a cut, by the way. That's not smart. Your metabolism shit. Go to maintain after your strength phase. If you go into skill, maintain. There you can work on your skills with your weight, stabilizing. It might go down a bit because your water goes out of your body, but in your skill phase, like I said, your recovery demand is way lower. This is where you can mix in mini sessions. I have not done this yet. And do not do the mini sessions in your strength phase. That's also one of the big reasons why I injured myself like twice in a month. So please don't mini session. What is a mini session? It's where you do 50%, 60% intensity of a progression of the skill that you're learning. Let's say the front lever, you can do one leg front lever, let's say 10 seconds, then you go do it for 5 seconds, 2 sets. That's a mini session. Just warm up your joints, by the way. It's always warm up your joints, but you don't need as big warm up as your normal session. You can work in these mini sessions when you are in a skill phase. Like I said, just always warm up properly. But now go choose your phase and stick to it for the next 3 months.